Morning guys, just a quick heads up for those that have never worked on Teslas before. We've worked on a few, but I thought I'd just do you a quick video to show you what happens where they start to wear. And you cannot actually prep the seats on these because you will destroy them. This is where this is worn, and you can clearly see the actual grain has come off and it's revealing this vegan material underneath. I'm not going to put the term leather into it because Elon Musk at Tesla does, but because it can't be called vegan leather if it's for vegans. But you can clearly see, just look at that, it's literally destroyed. And if you look closely into there, you can see how it's all like fiberboard. It's basically chipboard in effect. It's like MDF of the leather world. You can clearly see it all down the seat there. Look, it's just go careful, guys. Just a word of advice: go very careful when you're dealing with recolouring Tesla seats. All you can really do with these is to wipe them over with a terry towel with alcohol. Obviously clean the seat first of all, wipe it over with alcohol, and then use prep, but spray it onto a terry towel and just give it 1 or 2 little light wipes over. But that's as far as you want to go with it. Any further than that, you will start to destroy that coating. Just bear that in mind. Just a little tip, guys, that's all.